For this experiment we are going to soak this coco peat brick for 24 hours and then we'll be using it for germination. This brick is about 1.5 kg size. This is bamboo dust, freshly produced. I have bought it from BTP. If you see the nature of this material, it is bit of fibrous. At this stage we are not going to process anything to make it more or less like a coco peat. We are trying to check if it is useful as it is. We will be soaking this material for 24 hours just to bring coco peat and the bamboo dust on same grounds. I'll be washing it thoroughly once and then I'll be soaking it for a day. It's been 24 hours now, it has been soaking. So now just to ease out placing this bamboo peat into those trays, those are having small cavities, I'll be draining this stuff and then I'll keep it for some time for drying, like half an hour or 1 hour, and then I'll start filling those trays. So like this I'll be draining and then putting into this basket. So now the bamboo dust which has been washed and the coco peat which was soaked overnight, both are ready, and now I'll be preparing other two materials. That is, actually there is no preparation for this guy, but I think I'll need to sieve this dust through this tray just to have a uniform structure, because it was made for preparation of that briquette and all. And as you can see, farming is messy. So if you see, this has changed into this. Okay, now I can put this into those trays easily. I can handle this, I can compress this, anything I can do. This is also a round stick factory dust, and in the same factory this dust, which is a bit fine than the previous one, so both this will have different aeration and water holding capacity and all. So it will be very interesting to see how bamboo will react to the dust, which will be even fine than this, more or less like this or something like that.